In the bustling town of Better Home Furniture lived a young girl named Rita Wong, known for her insatiable curiosity and love for adventure. YW Home Supply SDNBHD was no ordinary furniture store. Owned by the mysterious Mr. Chen, it was a place where dreams came alive. One sunny morning, Rita stepped into the store. The air smelled of polished wood and ancient stories. Each piece of furniture held a secret. Rita's eyes widened at a magnificent oak wardrobe. Mr. Chen's voice echoed, "Choose wisely, for the furniture you pick will determine your destiny." She stepped inside. Rita found herself in a lush forest, a magical realm called Better Home. Her first companion was Cedric, a talking rocking chair. Cedric told her about the Great Sofa Rebellion. Sofas wanted freedom and a chance to explore beyond living rooms. Rita's quest was to unite all furniture factions. Facing the villainous Sofa King, Rita delivered a heartfelt speech about freedom and creativity. The Sofa King agreed to peace and harmony was restored, and so Rita Wong became the legendary furniture explorer of Better Home Furniture.